My name is Armando Casares-Körner. I have a PhD in chemistry and I am lab manager at a Working Lab. My role at the Working Lab is to make sure that the companies that have labs have everything they need to be successful. A Working Lab is Akademiska Hus' new concept for co-working. What is unique about a Working Lab Innomedicum in Solna and a Working Lab in Flemingsberg is that they are in close proximity to world-class universities such as KI and KTH, but also a world-class hospital, Karolinska University Hospital. And not only that, but a Working Lab Innomedicum in Solna and a Working Lab Flemingsberg both have labs on offer, which is not something every co-working has. The key difference between a Working Lab Innomedicum in Solna and a Working Lab Flemingsberg is that in Flemingsberg we have 90% of the area is labs. And we have all kinds of sizes from a small lab, medium, large, and then we have extra large labs.
My name is Linus. I'm the site manager of a Working Lab at Innomedicum and Flemingsberg. As a site manager, I make sure that all our members have everything they need and that everything works smoothly. An interesting thing that we have at a Working Lab is that we do a lot of events also, and it can be both for your social activities but also like seminars and get all our members to learn new things. A typical day for our members would hopefully start with a breakfast, which we do twice a month. It's not only the persons within AVL, but we have other people in the house also that come down to the networking. During the rest of the day, it differs, of course. A lot of people had a lot of meetings, trying to find investors and other collaborations. We have labs, of course, and they are doing heavy research in the labs almost all day and maybe sometimes during the night also.
The best thing about my job is the interaction with the companies and watching their journey, watching them come into a Working Lab and growing. Developing their ideas, developing their concept, growing from a small lab to a larger lab, and then eventually through Akademiska Hus they can find other locations on campus, either on our own campus or other campus. A Working Lab Innomedicum in Solna and Flemingsberg is really pushing the life science companies by creating a place where they can land and develop their ideas that is right in the center of campus. That means that you have access to the universities and they have access to a world-class hospital. Karolinska University Hospital is right on the doorstep. So collaborations can happen really easily in that sense. Nothing can ever replace a physical meeting and a physical contact.
I would say now when we are in a very digital world, it's very important to have the physical meetings also. From my experience myself, I would say that what you're missing in the digital meetings is all the small talk. We actually get to know other people, and when you get to know other people, that's when you know that's where ideas come from. The best thing about my job, I would say, is to meet all the wonderful people, our co-working and other meetings that are happening, and to see all the wonderful ideas actually happen. There's so much cool research going on in the house, and the collaboration that is happening also is so exciting.